Hi friends, welcome back to another art tutorial. Today we're learning how to create something called op art. Op is short for optical illusion. And an optical illusion simply tricks the brain into seeing something that may or may not be real. So we'll be creating an optical illusion in our artwork today. All you really need is a piece of paper, markers, a pencil, a ruler, and something to trace. If you don't have a ruler at home, just find a straight edge to create super straight lines. I'm going to show you some examples of the artwork that you're creating today, and then we'll get started on the tutorial. All you need for this assignment is a pencil, paper, markers, and a ruler. If you don't have a ruler, use any straight edge that you can find to create straight lines for your op art. Now the first step will be to trace your hand. For step 2, we're going to create straight lines going across the entire page, except we're not going to trace through our hand. I want you to skip over your hand as you're drawing your lines, but continue the line to the other side of the page, edge to edge, but skip over your hand. Be connecting lines inside of the hand using a rainbow shape. So for example, from this line to this line, we're going to use a rainbow shape or a curved line to connect that. So everywhere there are two lines, we're going to connect them with a rainbow shape. So do that throughout your whole hand until you're done connecting all the lines. Once you're done connecting all the lines, we're going to use marker to trace over all the lines. Use a different color pattern as you trace the lines. Start with one color, then add more colors as you finish with each one. So watch as I do it and then work on the color for your own. Once you add all of your lines with marker, that should complete your op art hand. And from any angle, it should look like the hand is coming up or popping out of the page, which gives it a three-dimensional effect. If you want to add another 3D effect, you can add a little bit of shading in pencil around one side of the hand and one side of each finger, just to give it a little bit of an extra 3D effect, but you don't have to do that part, just if you need an extra challenge. Good job. High five.